How to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram. When someone tags you in a post on Instagram, that post can appear in the tagged section of your profile. However, if you have not accepted the tag, or if you have hidden it, it will not be visible to others on your profile. Even though it is hidden, you can still find and view all the posts you have been tagged in. Here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. This is where you can see all your posts, reels, and tagged photos. At the top right of the screen, you will see a 3-line menu, also known as the Options menu. Tap on it. This will take you to Settings and Activity. Now, scroll down until you find an option called Tags and Mentions. Tap on it. This section allows you to control how tags work on your account. Now, you will see a tab labeled Manually Approve Tags. If it is toggled on, tap on it to close. This method works the same way whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. However, if you have trouble finding the settings, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as the menu layout can sometimes change with updates. That's how to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram.